Hello, today we'll be doing a Codeforces problem that is 1454A, and the problem statement is special permutation. It states that we are given one integer n which is greater than 1, and recall that a permutation of length n is an array consisting of n distinct integers from 1 to n in an arbitrary order. For example, we are giving such numbers from 1 to n here, and that number, if it is repeating some number here twice, that means that is not a permutation. And if my n is equals to something, let's say 3 here, and we have some integer that is greater than n present in my array here, so that will not give me an answer. So in that we have to that is not my answer. So what is the question that is asking here? That is, we need to find a permutation p of length n, and there is no index I such that p of I is equals to I. So what this statement actually means is, so let's say we have n is equals to 3. I'm taking that example only, and let's say these are my indexes, and my indexes will be 1 base, so 1 2 3. So I have to create such an array which has all the elements from 1 to 3 inclusive. So, and the index value should not match the ith current value there. So I can place this as something like 312. That means the index and the value is not matching. So this is what the problem statement says here. That is pretty simple here. And if we go, okay, so let's just directly go to the solution here. And the constraints are pretty small, so a brute force should work here. So this is my solution here. I simply took, I'll just explain this with an example here. So let's say we have something like n is equals to 5 here. So we have n is equals to 5 here, and what are my indexes? 1 2 3 4 and 5. We have these indexes here. So I'm iterating from n is equals to 5 to 1. So I'll be iterating reverse way. So I'll be just inserting it like this. So 5 4 3 2 1. So actually, so as we can see, this is coinciding. That means at index 3 we are having a value of 3, which is a wrong answer. So to avoid that, I've simply just swapped this with this. And if my n is equals to an odd number, that is 5, then I'll be having this kind of a problem. But if I have, suppose n is equals to 4, so 1 2 3 and 4. So if this is my indexes and this is my n, so if I simply just put it in reverse order, then this is giving me an answer which is accepted. So I have to only worry about the odd number of n. So I'll just simply swap these and these, and I'll get this number as 3 4 5 2 and 1, which is an accepted answer. And this is always an accepted answer if my n is even. So that was pretty much about the code, and if you wanted, you can just check it out from here.